Hi guys, let's gather around like it's story time because I'm about to explain something very serious, but in baby language. I don't know if you've noticed when you go to Google and search anything, the first answer is not from our website, it's from AI. You search three-bedroom house in Nairobi, and boom, AI is like, I found 6 companies, 3 photos, and 2 houses your wallet can't afford. Even when you ask ChatGPT something, it's now showing businesses. You type old school shoes in Nairobi, and AI is like, here are shops, photos, maybe even shoes your uncle lost in 2 or 3. So now the big question is, how do you make AI notice you? How do you make the robot say, yes, this business is important to show it first? It's called large language model optimization. Fancy name, but simple meaning. Making your business rank inside AI answers. And guess what? The ChatGPT guys have made it super easy. They created a form, a small, tiny, simple form. You just fill in your business name, what you sell, you upload photos, you add your products, and boom, the AI robots now know you exist. So now you don't just rank on Instagram, or Google, or even TikTok. You start ranking inside brains of AI. And that is where search is going. I'll attach the form for you down here. Go fill it. Let AI know your business. Let the robots love you. And may your customers find you faster than your relatives find you when they need money. Have a blessed one.